We're at the Premier Inn. Rooftops of Madrid. Massive open plan kitchen. Pool view.
Hold up.
Good morning guys, it is now, here is Thomas. It is currently Friday the 29th of June. It's the day after prom, so if you didn't see yesterday's vlog, what we doing? Basically, it was my year 13 prom. I vlogged it and I loved it. I loved the vlog, I loved the whole night.
Just back with another vlog.
I'm back with another vlog. So yeah, however, quickly moving on from prom, today I am travelling to Madrid. Me, Eve Bennett, Lizzie Barnett, Liv Rook and Online New, as their YouTube channels stand, are travelling to Madrid early hours of tomorrow morning, but we are travelling to Manchester today. The way we're doing it is we're travelling, me, Eve and Lizzie from Manchester Airport, and Liv and New are going from Stansted because it's so much easier because we all live so far away from each other. So currently, I am packing a suitcase. Now the issue I have had is that on this trip I've only paid for, we haven't paid for a check-in bag, we've paid for 2 hand luggage bags. So I've got this big bag and then this suitcase, and then I have Thomas here helping me fit a new skin to my MacBook because my other one was so grotty. So I've just fitted this to my MacBook. Now this is from Coconut Lane. You guys know you can get 20% off with the code beautyspectrum20, and they kindly sent this out to me.
Like more than that if you put like a different number after it?
No.
I got like 30 or like 40 or something.
No. But yeah, they also kindly sent me a matching luggage tag and a pop socket, which I'm going to fit to my phone and my suitcase. So thank you very much, Coconut Lane. They do actually have quite a lot of new in stock, so I'll leave their website linked below. It's perfect for this time of year and they have a lot of really lovely travel accessories, so I recommend checking that out. Not sponsored, just recommending it. However, now I need to finish packing, I need to have a shower, and I'm leaving to go to Manchester in about 2 hours, 3 hours, and Tom is kindly driving me to the train station to Manchester. Well, you could drive me to Manchester if you want. You're alright. But yeah, it's another lovely, lovely day. If you guys are new around here, please do hit the subscribe button. As I've already said, I have quite a lot of exciting vlogs coming up, and if you missed out on last week, I actually spent last week in Ibiza, so you're going to want to watch those vlogs and have a catch up if you're behind. Okay, it has been a while. It's been a stressful morning, to be honest. I thought I had quite a lot of time, and then it got to about 12 o'clock and I started doing everything and I realised, oh my god, I actually don't. I need to leave. So I've had the most rushed shower, washed my hair, dried my hair. I'm going to tie it up. I wasn't going to wear makeup anyway. And Tom is about to head over and pick me up for the train station. Mum, I forgot something. Anyway, I just realised I'd forgotten my 16 to 25 rail card, which would have made my journey very expensive. But Tom is about to pick me up and take me to Hull, and then I'm going to get the train from there. Still have a massive spot here. What can you do? And I've decided that I'm going to turn this into a 2-day vlog. So that's why I'm turning this into a 2-day vlog. And also, I'm literally just travelling to the airport today. And yeah, I'm going to see Eve and Lizzie tonight. But the main part of the fun is happening tomorrow. So yeah, I'm just waiting for Tom to arrive now. So I'm now in the car. My lip looks absolutely rank on camera, but Tom has driven me into Hull. We are now at the train station. I'm about to get my first train. I'm getting a train to Leeds, and then I'm changing at Leeds to Manchester Airport. So one change, it's not too bad, and my suitcase really isn't that heavy. For once, I've packed light. Who am I? Thank you very much for the lift.
It's okay.
You're gonna miss me.
I'm gonna miss you.
I'm gonna miss you too. I'll see you on Tuesday. We're at the Premier Inn. I'm with Lizzie, I'm with Eve, and we're having a spider incident, and basically there's like a daddy long legs kind of thing up here. Lizzie! Did you get it? Did you get it?
Don't pull the towel.
We don't advocate killing things, but we're all terrified of spiders.
Yeah, I would usually let it out, but I don't have a bucket.
Yeah, same. No, if I was at home, I would totally just get my dad to pick it up.
I've got a little thing at home where you can...
Yeah, same, where you like, and it scoops up. Yeah, right. So I left the house with wet hair, which is why I look like this. But we have arrived at the Premier Inn. We had a bit of an issue because when we got to Manchester Piccadilly, they just randomly terminated the train I was on, like I was already on it, and they were like, oh sorry. What? Yeah, so they terminated the train, so then Lizzie's train had also been cancelled, so we ended up getting a taxi, but the taxi cost us 20 quid and I'd already paid for an advanced train ticket, which had cost me like less than the taxi, so it was a bit of a joke. But we're now in the Premier Inn. My prom vlog has just gone up and we're gonna go and get some tea because we're all quite hungry, quite tired, and a little bit too warm because it's been a very hot day. But we've got a fan. Who knew Premier Inns did fans? Me. Oh, who knew I had fans? Ah! So we've come down for dinner and I got a burger. I really wanted a pizza, I proper fancied a pizza, but they don't have any, so I settled for a cheeseburger, even though I don't think I'll eat all of this. Why is there so much meat in there? And then Eve got a chicken katsu curry, which looks so nice, and I've only ever heard good things, but I've never tried it. We got dessert. How extra do you want to be? To be fair, we probably won't have much breakfast, so like...
I can't wait to moan tomorrow about how fat I am and not eating.
Relax, Jack is being an absolute...
Oh, this lighting isn't that flattering at all. Good morning. It is now 3, well, it's actually like 4 AM now. 4:04 in the morning, if you could call it the morning. I think it should just be called the night time. And we are ready, all packed up and about to go to Terminal 3 at Manchester Airport to catch the flight to Madrid. I don't know if I explained or not yesterday. Essentially, I'm here with Eve, who is here, and Lizzie, who is here. And we are also going with Livrook and New, and they are meeting us at the airport in Madrid because they are flying from London Stansted, which I think I said yesterday, but I can't remember, so yeah. But we're all packed up. We have a taxi booked in 6 minutes time, so we kind of like need to go down to the lobby. So yeah, travel vlog number 3 of the summer. Let's do this. So I look a very funny colour. I'm sat in the Costa in Terminal 3 and we have come through security. As it transpires, you can't take more than 1 clear plastic bag with you when you go through security. I had packed 4, so I had to leave literally half of my toiletries in security because they were like, oh, or you can check the bag in for 50 quid. The bag is not even worth 50 quid, like the stuff that was in it. So I was like, no, I'll just leave it here. So I like half my stuff out and then squished the rest of it into another plastic bag. It was a bit peak, to be honest, because I spent ages yesterday packing it all, so it was a bit annoying. But now we're just in Costa, as I said, Eve, Lizzie, and I'm enjoying a cup of tea. I had a chocolate croissant and our gate is being called in like 5 or 10 minutes, so yeah, we're all ready. We've arrived in Madrid and we have found Liv and New, who are over here, who successfully made it from their flight. And we're now gonna get a bus to the main street. Eve takes over from here because I was like, I sorted the flights, Eve sorted the accommodation. So we're going off whatever she thinks is the best option. So yeah. She is a Spanish speaker.
I can just say random words.
I am the least Spanish speaking out of all of us.
Well, less
Right, now here's the thing, is I can read and understand all the signs.
I know none, so you're better than me. So we've made it to the apartment. Basically we're staying in like an apartment in the centre of Madrid, like right in the centre, basically off the main street. But the check-in time isn't until 3, so we were a bit unsure about whether or not we'd be allowed to like check in. Oh my god, my lip is actually a joke, right? Ignore that. But yeah, so we're gonna hopefully see if we can go up now instead of like waiting, because we just walked from the bus stop, which was like 20 minutes, and we're all carrying suitcases, so I'd very much like to go into the room and just like sort my face out a bit as well, because I look like I've died. I have been up since 3, so that's, oh my god, I've nearly been up 12 hours. So we've come for lunch. We've come to a restaurant called Vips or VIPs. We're not too sure. You're taking the mick out of my accent. My mum will think you're bullying me. She always thinks you take the mick out of us for being Yorkshire. I know you do. So we've got pizza. I actually went for something that looks like pretty much the same as a margarita, to be honest, but I got a slightly different one, and it came with like cherry tomatoes on top and then mozzarella, and then this is just a regular margarita. And then Lizzie ordered what she thought was wedges, but they've actually brought her onion rings, so I think we're going to try and send those back. But other than that, the food looks good. Eve's got ribs, looks fit, and we're just waiting to be able to go into our apartment, which we can go into from like 2:30, 3 o'clock-ish, so yeah.
A bit loud.
Eve splattered the ketchup all over herself.
You murdered someone.
That is so funny. I missed that, I didn't see that happen. So we've just finished up eating and we've come out and the sun has come out, and now we are heading to a supermarket, which I can't say in Spanish because I don't know any Spanish. Supermercado. And we're just gonna get some stuff because I think I've already mentioned that we're staying in an apartment, so basically it's like all self-catering obviously. And then I'm also gonna buy, I'm gonna try and buy some like ibuprofen or ibuprofen gel, because my hip is still really hurting me. If you watched my vlogs when I was in Ibiza, still don't really know what I've done. There's nothing really I can do about it other than deal with it right now, so I'm gonna see if they have anything. Also, I often find that when you buy like medicine abroad, it's stronger, so it might work better, so yeah. We love a fake Pop-Tart. Lizzie is so excited about being here. Oh, that's like what I had for breakfast this morning at the co-op. No, not the co-op. Where were we? Costa. No. The trolley is filling up.
With water.
Mainly with water, yeah. Also with Lay's, an essential part of being in Spain.
Some beer, guys?
No, you're okay. Guys, in the supermarket they have this machine where you can put in a pineapple and squeeze it and make pineapple juice in one of these cups. Madness.
20 seconds.
20 seconds. How much is it? I don't really like pineapple juice, but 2.60. It's not bad. We have just arrived in our apartment in Madrid, and it is honestly gorgeous. Essentially what it is, it's like a hotel, but each room is an apartment. So I'm gonna give you a little tour. So this is the main living room. I'm not doing it from where you walk in because people are getting changed and stuff, but this is the living room. So you've got these gorgeous armchairs, a sofa, and then the view is insane. Like you can see all of the rooftops up here, and then over this way it's absolutely gorgeous, like the rooftops of Madrid. How pretty is that? And then down here you can see like everybody crossing the road. And then if you look this way, we have a massive open plan kitchen with a gorgeous breakfast bar. Absolutely love all of this. I really love the color scheme as well. And then in here, this is the fridge that we have stocked with water because stay hydrated. Oh, a wild new has appeared. And then basically this is what it looks like down here. So Lizzie and I are in this room here, which is a double bed. Here's Lizzie. And then we also have a stunning view out of our window. Like, it's just really pretty. Like the rooftops of any city are so gorgeous. We are actually on the 9th floor out of 12. So yeah, this is the view from the bed. Lovely curtains, although they're not gonna really block the light out. Are you farting?
No, someone moving furniture.
Oh, okay. And then when you come back out of here, you have this area. Now this is the first toilet. There's actually two. So in here we have a walk-in shower, and then all of the stuff, hairdryer. This, I don't actually know what they are. Here we have a mirror, this is me, and a sign that says swag. Don't really know why that's there, but yeah. And then this.
It's Eve putting on deodorant.
Here's Eve putting on deodorant. This is the nicest room, and this, they've got like two massive wardrobes. Yeah, go on. Oh my god. Oh my god, wow, that is amazing.
That means the sink top can look lovely and clean.
You never have to put anything on the sink top. So then they've got this as their like main bathroom, and there's, oh, is this another shower? I thought there was a bath in here.
It's a shower.
So there's two showers, so nice. And then this is their like room. They've got a TV and two single beds, which as you can see, this is such a gorgeous room. Like basically, this whole apartment, isn't it so stunning?
I'd give it a 10 out of 10.
I would give it a 10 out of 10. This is probably the nicest place I've ever stayed.
Yeah, it's really nice.
And it's on the 9th floor.
And the
view is incredible. Yeah, it is. Their view is like essentially the same as what I just showed you from my room, but really gorgeous. Absolutely love it. It's...
One question though.
Go on.
Where is the bin?
Oh yeah, is it in the toilet? I mean,
One in that one, definitely.
is there one in the kitchen? Also the TV, guys, in here,
bigger than mine.
massive TV, super open plan, super big, and also this was reasonably affordable, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Like this wasn't super
Yeah,
expensive.
it wasn't on the lowest end of the price.
No,
spectrum,
but it was
I
really
think,
nice.
I think because there was 5 of us, it worked out quite well, like money-wise. It didn't cost us that much.
It was less than 300.
Yeah, like if we'd have
For
done
3 nights, and I paid that much for a rubbish Premier Inn in Brighton. So like to come all the way here for the
Premier
same
Inn in
price.
Brighton is
and it's
not
an apartment
good.
as well. It's not even just a room.
It's so open plan. Like this isn't like being in a hotel room. It's just
like breakfast in the mornings and
so nice.
it's so beautiful. And there's just, it's not like there's not too much natural light in there.
Okay, Lizzie and I had a quick nap. I'm now feeling a lot better. I had a headache coming on, took some paracetamol, went to sleep. Best advice I could give you. And now we're gonna head over to the pool. The best thing about this place is that it has a rooftop pool. So I told you guys we're on the 9th floor. I think the pool is on the 13th. Rooftop city pool. So we're gonna head there. I'm actually about to start a new book. I know you guys have been quite interested in which ones I'm reading at the time. I just finished, have they left me? I think they'll come back, they're outside. I just finished Call Me By Your Name. I wasn't a massive lover of it. I finished it, I read it. It was just a little bit like very descriptive, and it kind of went on a bit too long, but I'm gonna start this one now, which is called The Last Piece of My Heart. So because I'm scared they've left me, I'm going to go. So we've come up to the pool. I'm not gonna spin it around because there's like people sunbathing, but look at the view from here. This is the pool. I'll film Liv and Lizzie there, but like pool view. We had to walk along this really long passage to get up here though. I don't know if you can really see it because I've got sunglasses on, but we had to walk from all the way down here, and then we're like, where is the pool? And then we're like, oh, there it is. There is a gym, and look at the view from the treadmill. What the hell? This definitely tops the one that we went in London, yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna prop you guys on here. Right, so I need to decide what to wear tonight, but I don't know what I want. Also, look how nice this floor to ceiling window is, what the hell? So excited to like sit in here and edit with the sunset and like, yeah. But basically we're going out for dinner. It's 7 o'clock, but I need like a really quick shower. Currently I'm wearing my swimming costume with my shorts, but I want to wear like something else, and I brought a lot of top, but I don't really know what I want to wear and like when and stuff. So yeah, I thought I'd just film this. I don't really know why. Oh, I could wear that. Stripy top is option number 1. Halter neck top is option number 2, but I can't wear any underwear with this because like look at it. So I think I might save this. And then I've got these shorts with a plain top, and I've got a dress, a bit bougie. Oh, and I've got this crop top. Oh, and I've got a play suit, so I need to wear a crop top. Okay, I think I'm gonna wear this stripe. Show you the outfit. Okay, I'm now all ready. I've decided I'd go with this one because the other one was annoying me too much. So this is from Boohoo, but it's actually part of a co-ord, so I'll link the co-ord below. And the shorts are from Primark, but they were like 2 years old, so I don't know if they sell them anymore. But they're just generic denim shorts, aren't they really? This is the bag I'm bringing. I think this is from H&M, just tiny little crossbody bag. So, oh, I look very tired. We've been walking around for ages trying to find a food place, and we've come to Puerta del Sol, Spanish, and it's so busy, but it actually looks really nice. So hopefully we're going to find somewhere on here where all of us will want to eat, because the main issue we're having is that none of us really know what we want, but none of us want the same thing. So yeah, we're gonna hopefully find somewhere. This looks a little bit more like the right kind of area. Also, it's currently Madrid Pride, so everywhere is covered in rainbow flags, which I absolutely love. I think it's so nice. So yeah, you can see how busy it is here, guys. So we're inside, oh sorry, I'm just gonna quickly do this. We're inside a restaurant. I've got a lemonade and we're gonna try a little bit of tapas because we had a heavy lunch, so Eve and I are gonna share some like sharing plattery stuff. Okay guys, we've just got back from our meal. It is 11:15 and now we're just gonna have a chill and have a plan what we're doing tomorrow, and then I think we're just gonna go to bed because we've been up since 3 in the morning. So we're very overtired. I'm getting quite hyper, so I probably need to go to bed. But we are gonna eat some of these biscuits. We've got such peng biscuits. These are the best, guys. If you go abroad and you go to a foreign supermarket, look for these. They are the best. Anyway, I'll be back tomorrow with Madrid vlog number 2. I don't really know what the plan is tomorrow, so you're gonna have to tune in to watch it then. It will hopefully be up at 6 PM, Wi-Fi permitting. I'm gonna test that out now, so bear with me if they're not uploaded on time or whatever, but hopefully there will be. So I will see you all tomorrow night at 6 PM. Bye!